Good evening, Father. Good evening, all admins. My name is Anju. Today I'm going to discuss question number 1. So, question number 1, when disclosing distressing information to patients, staff must avoid. So, option A, temptation to use simplistic language. Option B, directing their attention at family member. Option C, any approach which leads to misunderstanding. As per the father's strategy, we need to more focus on a question. What type of question this one? So this is an instruction based question, and because when disclosing distressing information to patient, so what staff must avoid, so it's action. And in context of paragraph, extract from a manual on surgery, disclosure. So when, as per the father strategy, we need to more focus on that, how we can get out of that type of question. So when we read the whole paragraph, so based on that, it's a paragraph structure, its approaches. The delivery of bad news is very difficult. It's a topic sentence. Arrange to talk to patient in combined family, preferable always from other patient. In some culture, it's not common, difficult, new directly to their patients. We must be aware that the norm and custom patient may not match our own. Often we try to soften the delivery bad news by saying too much and confusing the matter, or saying too little, leaving people with unanswered question. Don't say neoplasm if what you mean, what will be understood in cancer. Be clear, allow people to understand, feel some impact of news, then allow them to ask question. Is often necessary to repeat the information to other family member or the same people of the next day. So this is a paragraph. So what we need to do, firstly, it's a topic sentence, and within a topic sentence, so delivery of bad news is very difficult. So its controlling idea is difficult, means how to do its approach. So approach 1, arrange. Approach 2, be aware the norm and custom who are patient. Approach C, don't say too much, confusion little too. Approach 4, don't say medical jargon, means neoplasm instead of cancer. Approach 5, be clear, allow clarification. So this is the instruction based question. So that type of question, how we can easily evaluate, means the answer is came, it's step by step. They are talking about that. Firstly, they are talking about in a topic based sentence, and then after, step by step, they are just mentioned that. Same like in that question, approach 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So based on that type of tricks, we can easily get out our right answer. So let's see option A, temptation to use simplistic language. The question demand is staff must avoid. It's a um, negative thing it came out. But in option A, use simplistic language, it's contradict on that paragraph. Option B, directing their attention at family member. Same option B, it's not mentioned is here. When we see in the last of the paragraph, they mention that it is often necessary to repeat the information to other family members or to the same people of the next day. So we can easily eliminate. Our right option is C. And lots of synonyms, language, paraphrasing, they mention that, like disclosure in a question. Option is delivery, distressing, bad information, news. And synonyms language, must, modal verb, arrange, be aware, don't say, don't use, be clear. So its approach is there.